Universe Cheer is so excited to welcome back Beaufort County School District schools, including Beaufort High School's JV and varsity program, and newcomers Bluffton Middle School to our 3rd annual Universal Cheerleading Association Camp here at May River.
Let's get loud!
This camp is teaching us a bunch of skills that we can work on during game days, and dances and cheers that we can do on the sidelines to cheer on the boys.
The UCA instructors really help us to go based off of our skill level to create routines that are simple enough for us to do, but visually effective for our team and for game days and pep rallies.
Since this is my rookie year, I didn't know much going into it, and I've already learned so much, like how to get under the stunt and how to keep it up and how to save it whenever it falls and stuff.
They teach us better technique, so we're doing stunts correctly, or we're making sure we're sharp with our motions and just being as good as we can possibly.
Let's go Eagles!
We love bringing this camp to our community because it introduces so many different skills for each team to bring back to their school, but it also brings all of our cheerleaders together, growing as individual programs as well as a cheerleading community here in Beaufort County.
We all always hype each other up. We're so nice, we're so happy. Like, everyone here is always so happy. It's just such a good environment for everybody.
Even though we are rivals, we can just build each other up and support each other and just help each other get new skills and just inspire others.
This camp has helped me so much throughout the entire process. I'm getting little bits of tips and advice from everyone, the coaches, even some of the girls from the other teams, which helps us kind of come together because normally we compete against each other, and this helps us build a community of cheerleaders.
We also love that we have some feeder schools now, like Bluffton Middle School, coming to attend, because those are the athletes that are moving up once they complete their middle school years into high school, and we're so excited that they are bringing those strong foundational skills into our program, allowing us to push them further and grow them as athletes as well as students.
I think it's good for us that we're in middle school coming here because it's teaching us and it's giving us like more opportunities, and it's like they're being role models in front of us to show us what we're supposed to be doing and how to do it in our formations and stuff.
I've already made so many friends with girls from other teams. I've connected more with my team. We've done team bonding, and it's kind of just helped us come together as a group and make a better community overall.
So on the first 2 days of camp, the girls learn a game day routine, which is a sideline and a cheer that shows off their mascot, their colors, using palms, signs, megaphones, things that we're going to be bringing to Friday Night Lights, allowing them to really showcase their school spirit and their school pride.
My favorite part about this camp is learning the dance because I love dancing and I love to get to do it with my team.
They also learn their camp routine, which creates a dance routine that goes into a pyramid of stunts. They're also able to incorporate other tumbling skills that they may have, allowing them to show off their technical skills that we use for competition.
When we do stunts, I've gotten told that I need to get more under it and I need to slide my hand more under so that I can really get under the stunt as a side base, and it's really improved my stunt and really helped.
I've learned a lot of safety and teamwork things by, like, if a flyer falls, like to catch them, like get rid of the feet and catch them.
I learned a bunch of like new stunts and like safety measures and how to keep my flyer up, and it's just improving my form and my formation in stunting.
It's good to do a camp like this so then we can build up our community and build up the incoming cheerleaders so then we can help and just really make our team stronger.
It teaches us so many new things, and it gives us things to bring not only to game days and football games, but basketball, pep rallies, anything else, any other event we choose to do. We can bring this anywhere.
UCA!
We're really so grateful that our friends from across the district join us each year, and we hope to see some more friends next summer at our 4th annual UCA camp.